Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore, and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So this is the basic layout for this song. So you got the intro, verse, and chorus. So we're gonna start off with the intro and the verse. So the first chord, C major 7, G major 7, and A minor, then back to the G major 7, and we're also going to use the chord D. So the intro is simple, it's just down strums using the 4 chords. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So as we look at it, intro is the same 4 chords, verse is the same 4 chords in the first line, but the second line, it ends with the D instead of the G major 7. For the strum pattern for this song, I'm going to be using a 3 count. So you're going to be strumming only on the 1. So here's an example I'll show you guys. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So as you can see on the screen, we're on the first strum, we're letting it ring, but on the second one, we're going to mute it right after we play it. So So that's going to be the strum pattern for pretty much the rest of the song. So let's try and play the verse all together. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and then go into it. D. So the chords we're going to use for the chorus is going to be a C major 7, G major 7, A minor, and also a B7. So the strum pattern for the chorus, we're going to use the same one that we just learned, and you're going to notice that it matches to the beat of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right after that is the I don't want to part. So we're going to use the 2 same chords so you guys can play. 3, 4, 1, 2. And then we're going to play the E minor. And you're going to play the strum pattern 4 times. So I'm going to skip the second verse. Second verse is the same chords, but this time you're going to be strumming the whole time. So we'll skip that and we'll go right into chorus number 2. So the only difference in the second chorus is the quick down strums on the second line. So I'm going to show you guys with the chords on the screen. You guys can play along. 3, 4. this 3 times. And this last one, we're gonna make it slower. And then end on E minor. So going back to that chorus, the second line, the D chord, we're actually going to build that up with 10 down strums. The other chords, we were doing 4 down strums, but for this, we're going to do 10. So thank you again guys for watching this video. I hope it helped you guys out. If you guys haven't yet, go ahead, subscribe, check out my channel for other videos, leave a comment if you want to, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.